All right, so now that when you're ready to go publish this out to the field, there's multiple ways that you can go about this. In this chapter and the following videos, we're going to go through and explain a couple different methods. But most of the export is done from the construction data tab. And from here is where you can, create your job sites and create your designs. But what we want to focus on in this particular chapter is this new WorksManager workflow. WorksManager is our cloud-based application that will let you publish and send your designs to the field remotely. So you won't have to actually have the controller at your desktop. We still have the old legacy methods of using the export command, publishing to VisionLink if you want, but in this particular case, we're going to publish to WorksManager. So we're going to go through some steps to set up your Connect account and, set up your account to work to get to WorksManager, and we'll walk through that workflow.